I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop the Google Photos backup on your Android device. And if you want to go further, I'll also show you how to delete all of the photos and videos stored on your Google Photos backup. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your Google profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then tap Photo Settings in this menu. Step 3. Tap Backup in the list of options. The Backup menu opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Backup in this menu. New photos and videos captured on your Android device will no longer be backed up going forward. Any existing photos and videos you've already backed up to Google's cloud will still be available there. If you want to go a step further and delete all of the photos and videos that are currently stored in your Google Photos backup, you can do that by tapping Undo Backup for this device. The next screen will let you know that any photos, videos, or other content on your Android device won't be affected or deleted and will still exist on your device. Tap to place a check mark in the box to indicate that you understand the impact of moving forward, and then tap Delete Google Photos Backup. All photos and videos will be removed from your Google Photos backup immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.